Today we'll be checking out a video regarding love. The thing that makes your heart boom, the thing that makes you lose all rationality, the thing that makes you basically go, screw it. You're living your delusions, The Lulu is a Salulu. For today's video, it's an online couple. They haven't met each other. They are seeing each other for the first time in 4 years, I think. I can tell you this is one of the most beautiful things that you could ever experience. So yeah, let's watch the video. Okay, with this, I'm actually assuming that they haven't met each other. They haven't met each other and this is their actual first time meeting each other. And I can tell you from personal experience that this is one of the most beautiful feelings in the world. Let me tell you that. It's one of the most... Yeah, so they are meeting in person for the first time. God damn it, man. That's so cute.
Can we speak?
I think so.
Thank you. Oh my god.
This is beautiful, I'm not gonna lie to you. I'm about to cry, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is... You could tell by the way that they both leaned in for the hug and were just holding each other for so long. There is no other feeling that can describe this. Like, there's no word that can actually describe this. I don't know, man. It just feels good. It just feels that good to the point where no one else exists in the world, Hey, mojolo, love, hey.
You're so cute.
You're so
I knew
gorgeous.
that, but you're cute.
Damn.
This is weird.
Hands are so soft.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Are they?
They are even holding hands. They're even holding hands, bro. This is so cute. Jeez. I'm not gonna lie. It hits hard. But damn, man. That was such a beautiful experience. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah.
I worked at Jamba for a while, so
This is what I
sanitizer.
thought it would be.
Yeah? Oh my god, thank you for the flowers. I just dropped them.
Thank you for being here.
Cute. Hi.
I'm so nervous.
This is so weird.
It is. Damn.
I didn't think
You're
that this
so
was...
beautiful.
Oh, thank you. Your eyelashes are cute.
It's always so awkward the first time you meet someone that you haven't known in such a long time, that the conversations are just, you don't know how to structure them. Your mind is just overwhelmed with emotions and feelings. Like, you don't know how to get to that point, but then you're in the moment, and as much as you're not trying to make it weird, it is gonna be weird, but then it's nice. Does that make sense? It's a good feeling, is what I'm trying to say. It is a good feeling, and I wouldn't change for the world.
I like your fit.
Thank you.
You picked out something nice. Oh, my nail polish they're kind of ugly now.
Bro, what? This is you.
Yes. What's up?
It's so unreal. Like, honestly, it is so unreal seeing someone that you haven't seen in such a long time. Like, it doesn't make sense in your head that, wow, this is you. This is actually you, and you are right here with me, in front of me, and that's just a surreal experience, I will tell you that.
Damn. Okay, what's the first thing you noticed about me that you didn't expect, and why?
Your voice is so sexy, first of all.
Is it?
Yeah. But,
I'd say the same.
wait, read it again.
What's the first thing you noticed about me that you didn't expect and why?
I mean, it's just kind of like we've known each other for like 4 years.
Yeah.
So, it's just the weird part is just seeing you in person. It's nice though. Yeah.
Your hands are so much softer than I thought they'd be.
I told you they're kind of soft.
Damn.
Yeah.
This is what I was expecting, I'm not gonna lie.
That's a nice watch though.
Thank you. My mom got it for me.
Really?
Maybe it's just me, but this looks like he's more excited. I guess, if that makes sense. I don't know.
You don't look too different from the little screen.
Really?
Nah, you don't look that different. Even more pretty in person, but like from the screen in person. That's crazy.
How do you describe me to others? I've always wanted to know
Maggie,
this.
my girlfriend, she's gorgeous. She's a very cool person. Beautiful personality. Usually just Maggie, my girlfriend, honestly.
Same.
Yeah.
I like to answer it back too.
Go ahead.
Because I always call you a sweetheart. Because
Sweetheart?
you're so sweet. But my boyfriend for sure. But definitely like a really nice, talkative person, likes everybody. Gets along.
A
fool? Yeah, a nerd. A geek. But cute. Cute.
I can't breathe.
No?
What are your 3 favorite memories we share?
What are your 3 favorite memories that we share? You know what hits hard about this is the fact that we didn't even meet each other in person. So whatever intense moments there were, any heartfelt moments, it was all distance, calling each other, texting each other, being there for each other. And it's surreal. It's a surreal experience to know that, let's say if these two are gonna be together from here onwards physically, not just emotionally, it's gonna hit even harder, Supporting someone while they are with you when you see them, it's a different feeling as to supporting someone when they are like miles away from you. Like they are miles away from you and you just there supporting them. They're not there physically, but you know that they are here for you whenever you need them, and it's just a surreal experience. And I'm pretty sure it was. I'm a guess that the moments that hit hard for them is like if they were ever to like, I don't know, they ever felt like they needed to maybe break up or possibly losing connection, or the distance is getting to them and they just put by each other, In other cases, it's like when someone loses like a family member, nothing. They're there, they keep pushing, they support you, can't describe it.
My most favorite is, do you remember that night? I always talk about it, but do you remember that night like a long time ago where I was just sad about, but that night, like I wouldn't stop crying. And you were just there to talk to me throughout the whole night.
Of course.
So that's one of my favorite memories.
That's the first time you were super vulnerable with me.
Yeah, the first time, because, like even like right now I have that chill wall look.
Hey, bro, you're cool. Right?
But,
I'm not gonna lie.
But that night was, and then I think one that sticks in my mind is when you told me you loved me first time. I think we were on the laptop that time though. I think we were using Skype around that time.
I believe so.
Yeah, but that one for sure. And one more. Now.
Yeah?
Yeah, right now.
I like that.
This is sick. Okay. What do you think connects us?
Unpopular opinion. I don't think that intimacy is the, like sex or that type of stuff is the deepest form of intimacy. I think it's communication. Communication to me is the deepest form of intimacy because you get to know someone further than the whole physical experience. Sex is sex, but knowing someone, their mind, their viewpoints, knowing how they think about the world, it's just a whole nother experience. It's to just, don't get me wrong, sex is still a big deal, but when you know someone on a like an emotional level, a mature, like, dude, this is why I feel like friendship breakups hit harder than relationship breakups, you know, because with friendships, it's not on a physical, like you're not doing shit. Well, some friendships, you're not really doing anything, you know. You know that person so well that just their absence hurts you. Their absence alone destroys you. That type of intimacy is my type of intimacy. You can have sex, but yeah, where's the heart? This thing right here. I'm telling you, no other deeper connection than conversation.
Our minds.
Ooh.
No, but I think our ability to talk to each other,
Yeah.
like even about, let's say for the 5 months, we were even able to come.
Having that one person that you can talk to, like literally about the most random things on this planet. Ooh. Woo! Let me tell you, it's a beautiful feeling. It's a beautiful thing because it allows for so many things to be done. Like for yourself also, like you become more vulnerable, become more talkative, become comfortable with this person. Just an amazing experience, amazing feeling at that.
To each other and talk about that,
Yeah.
like openly and freely, and we usually allow ourselves to do that. Yeah. I think that connects us more than anything because I got to know you on that level before I got to know you like this. You feel me? Yeah.
But
I'd say that's
I think same too. Just being like long distance and having only like sight and sound. That's it.
Long distance is hard. Best believe, trust me when I say this, that thing is hard. And still being together after like what, 4 years, and you guys have not even met once. I know 100% they had their own issues, they had their own biggest fights and all of that, but then they still were able to like stick it out, stick it through, waiting for just this one day, waiting for just this one day just so that they could work it out. Not easy, but love, man. What are you gonna do?
And so I think that made us understand each other a lot better. And it's gonna be cool hanging out.
we
Okay.
get to chill today. When do you feel closest to me?
Now.
Definitely.
But physically now. I think honestly when we fall asleep on FaceTime.
Yeah.
One of the best feelings that I've personally ever had is just falling asleep with someone that you love and cool. And they're not there with you, but then just falling asleep together and an amazing feeling, you know. It has its funny moments because you end up maybe hearing the person snore, do some weird ass shit, possibly talk in their sleep. It's something. It is definitely something.
Yeah. Or other
The
things.
headphones in and I could hear you really close.
Yeah.
I'd say the same too.
Yeah. Headphones in, quiet room. And it's up
All
the
the
way.
static.
Yes, the static.
There's no static.
I was just talking to them about that.
There's no
I was
static.
like, it's gonna be weird hearing your voice without, because phone voice and like real voice are different for sure.
Your real voice is beautiful.
Thanks, you too. Okay.
What are you hesitant to tell me?
So, after the 5 months, we kind of were like taking it slower or whatever. Well, there was like a few moments I think that I was just like, well, because you know what caused us
what?
not to see 5
Yeah,
months,
that's
right?
true, yeah.
Just like it was really hard after that because it was, the reason why I kind of didn't want to do it again is just because I didn't know when I was going to see you, you know?
Of course, yeah.
And it felt like so far away. And it's silly to think about.
The thing about long distance is that the person is there for you, but then you don't know when you're going to see them again. And they're not seeing someone, in my own view, it will make you end up thinking some weird ass thoughts, You're gonna have some of the most stupidest fights on this planet. Y'all will have the most stupidest fights on this planet, and you don't know when you're gonna see that person, because all you want is to see that person. Despite how you're feeling, despite your mood towards them, all you want is to just see that person and wrap your arms around them and just hold them. You hold them and you're thankful that they're there with you. That's a real experience. That's a real feeling. And when you finally do get to meet that person, it's just sparks.
Yeah.
Now because we're right here. But I actually thought about kind of like not wanting to do it
Really?
anymore, yeah. And I was gonna tell you.
That's fair though.
It was like a couple times, but
Yeah.
I'm glad that I didn't.
Yeah, dude.
Because
It's fair though. I understand that. I'm happy that
your
we
hands
did
are so
do it.
cold, dude.
Yeah. I'm nervous.
You need some, I don't know, some warmth
Yeah.
later. Okay.
How do you think our relationship will change after meeting in person?
I feel like it's gonna be cool because it's gonna be like, because I always say that you're my best friend just because we are very, very close. So it's gonna be like just hanging out like as if you lived here, you know?
Yes.
So I think
We're
that's
gonna
gonna
kick
make us more comfortable.
We're gonna get to kick it.
Kick it.
We're gonna get to walk around.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're gonna get to like watch TV.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Netflix.
Yeah. We could drink water together.
Water?
Yeah. I forgot to
Wine?
bring my water. Wine. Hell yeah.
Yeah, but then after you leave, it's definitely gonna be different for sure.
I think it'll be better.
You think so?
Yeah, I think it'll be better because we're not physically strangers anymore.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it will be better.
Yeah.
I feel like we won't have that need as much. Even though I'd be like, oh, I miss you, probably. But it's like, we never had it, so, you know. Or it could be bad. And we could be like, we've never had that before, and then it's just gone. You know?
It's gonna be back.
Yeah.
I'll be back.
You will? For my birthday?
Unless I die.
Well, I'll say that.
I'll play it.
Last one.
Last one.
Oh my gosh. Aw, finishing up nice. Why do you love me?
Why do I love you? Everything. Your kindness. Your willingness to try with me especially. Your soul. You have a very sweet soul. You've had a sweet soul since I met you, but like you opened up a lot more to me. And I love seeing when you're going and like you don't see no stop yet. Yeah. I love that. I love seeing the evolution of Maggie as well. I'm very ready for like even more evolution of Maggie.
Yeah, because you've seen me since I was 17, 16?
17, I believe.
Somewhere in there.
I love you for all those things more than anything.
Okay, I want to answer it back. I would like to say, well, the sweetness for sure. Like you not only help me in like a lot of things that I want to do and like believe in me, but you believe in everybody else. If somebody's like, hey, I'm trying to do this, you're like, dude, let's go do it. You know, like we could do that right now. And they're like, no, I don't know. You're like, no, like if you're gonna talk about it, let's go. So I just think they're very supportive, very sweet, and I love you because you love me.
I love you.
We're gonna cut it there. This was honestly really hard to watch, but beautiful at the same time. I do hope that they still together because those videos like what, 4 years old. This video is 4 years old. I hope they still together, and I'm happy for them. We're happy for them. That's such a beautiful moment. Anyway, peace.